everyone, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do some relaxing vocal warmups and exercises for singers. We know that adverse tension anywhere in the body leads to tension in the voice. So we're going to do our best to stay aware and release tension today as we go. As always, feel free to switch octaves as you need to, and all the exercises are listed down in the About. Let's start with a few moments of focus on relaxing the body. Take a few low, slow breaths, releasing any tension or thoughts that don't serve you well right now. Come into alignment, whether you'll be singing sitting down or standing, and let's sigh down. Just a real gentle sigh again. Let's do some free-form glides on a lip trill. Let's move now to a semi-occluded zh sound. Make sure that the air is flowing, but that we don't have excess tension in the mouth and tongue. We'll sing the following pattern. Make sure we're gliding through all of those sounds. Here we go. For our next vocal warm-up, let's sing on Allow yourself to feel the sensation of air-driven vibration. Here we go. For this next vocal exercise, let's think about releasing tongue tension as we sing on la la lay, like la la lay, la la lay. Just use the tip of the tongue in a neutral open mouth position. Here we go. La la lay, la la lay. 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 job. Focus now on a freely moving jaw as we sing on fa-ya. We'll sing on fa-ya. We want small and gentle movements here, and the tongue moves with the jaw. Here we go. I love this next exercise for singers, specifically for feeling that sigh in the sound and keeping the tongue neutral and out of the way. We're going to sing on tho-a-ah. Here's the pattern. Tho-a-ah. Here we go. Well done. Now, let's sing on a simple la la la. We'll sing la 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 la. Notice I'm aiming for a very neutral vowel. See how much relaxation you can bring into this, and remember to keep the breath low and easy. Here we go. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Let's move back to a lip trill. If that doesn't work for you, you can always sing on a v or zh or any other semi-occluded sound you'd like. We're going to sing on the following pattern. And go. Very nice. We're now going to sing on viddy viddy viddy. The gentle movement should be felt at the front of the mouth. It sounds like this. Viddy 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 viddy. 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 Finally, let's now move the idea of relaxation to a wider range as we sing on ni-ah-ee-ah, like ni-ah-ee-ah-ee-ah-ee. This should have gentle movement and consistent airflow. Here we go. Ni-ah-ee-ah-ee-ah-ee. 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 Let's end with one more sigh down. I hope you enjoyed this set of gentle vocal warm-ups and exercises for singers. Make sure to check out my news and announcements below, which I will update as needed. I always love singing with you, and I will see you next time.